Rolling through the top UK tobacco brands.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into the world of rolling tobacco and identify some of the top brands available in the UK. With the range of products available, it can be quite a task to choose, but we're here to help. Rolling tobacco, also known as shag tobacco, is popular among smokers for its quality, variety, and cost-effectiveness. So let's roll into it.
What is rolling tobacco?
Rolling tobacco is a type of tobacco product that comes in loose form. It's used by smokers to hand-roll their own cigarettes. This process involves spreading the tobacco onto a cigarette paper, rolling it, and sealing it closed. Many smokers prefer rolling tobacco over pre-made cigarettes because it allows them to customize the size, strength, and blend of their smoke.
Which are the top brands?
Here are some of the most popular rolling tobacco brands in the UK. 1. Golden Virginia. Known for its unique taste and fine cut, Golden Virginia is one of the leading rolling tobacco brands in the UK. It's widely preferred due to its consistent quality. 2. Amberleaf. A popular choice among roll-your-own tobacco users. It's known for its smooth taste and comes with a packet of rolling papers, which is a nice convenience. 3. Drum. This brand is favored by many smokers for its rich and robust flavor. Drum tobacco is considered stronger compared to others on this list. 4. Gawith Hoggarth. A traditional UK brand, Gawith Hoggarth is known for its high-quality, additive-free loose tobacco. 5. Samson. Samson rolling tobacco is another well-known brand, notable for its balanced blend of quality tobaccos and a fairly strong flavor. 6. Cutter's Choice. A well-regarded brand, Cutter's Choice offers a naturally sweet taste due to the inclusion of Virginia tobacco. Remember, taste and preference are subjective, so it might be worth trying a few different brands to see which you prefer.
How do I choose the right one?
Choosing the right rolling tobacco depends on your personal taste, budget, and preferences. If you prefer a smooth and light smoke, brands like Golden Virginia or Amberleaf might be a good fit. If you're looking for a more robust and strong flavor, try Drum or Samson. Always make sure to buy your tobacco from a reputable source to ensure quality and authenticity. That's it for our quick tour through some of the top rolling tobacco brands in the UK. Remember, it's important to smoke responsibly and be aware of the health risks associated with smoking. We hope this has been helpful for all of you roll-your-own enthusiasts out there. As always, enjoy your smoking experience, and see you next time.